Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is the value of log root 5 to the base 0.008 plus log 81 to the base root 3 minus 7 is equal to. So now 0.008 is equal to 8 by 1000, that is equal to 1 by 125 is equal to 5 to the power minus 3. So log 0.008 root 5 is equal to log root 5 by log 0.008, which is equal to half log 5. Since root 5 is 5 to the power half, so log 5 to the power half is half log 5 by minus 3 log 5. So this is equal to minus 1 by 6, and log 81 root 3 base root 3 is similarly equal to 4 by half, that is equal to 8. So the value of the resultant expression is equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 8 minus 7, that is equal to 5 by 6. So option C is the correct answer. The next question is 9 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 81 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 944. Then the value of x is, so this is equal to 9 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 9 into to the power 2x minus 2 is equal to 8 into 243. So from here we get 9 to the power 2x minus 2 into 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 into 9 to the power 2.5. Now 243 can be written, I got this as 243 is equal to 81 into 3, that is 9 squared into 9 to the power half, so this is 9 to the power 2.5. So 9 minus 1 equals 8, so this 9 minus 1 and 8 cancels out, and since base is equal, so powers would be equal. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 2.5, or 2x is equal to 4.5. And so x is equal to 4.5 by 2, that is 9 by 4. So option B is the correct option.